Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple TV 4K blinking white light in 2026. Now, a blinking white light often means that the system is stuck during startup or update. So whenever you see this white light, the very first thing that you need to do, you need to simply unplug the Apple TV from power. After that, you just have to wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait and check if the light becomes stable. Now sometimes Apple TV is working but the screen is not showing anything, making it look stuck. So in this particular situation, you just have to simply check the HDMI cable, whether it is firmly connected. You can try a different HDMI port on your TV. If possible, you can also use another HDMI cable and turn your TV off and on again. Now, if the system is frozen, you can force restart using the remote. For that, you just have to simply press the menu button and the TV button together on your remote. After pressing it together, you just have to basically hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then release when the Apple TV restarts. So you can try these methods and see if your Apple TV 4K is still blinking white light. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.